Good morning. It's 4:44 in the morning, and it's about that time to make some coffee. It's way too early. Crazy, somebody else is up this early in the morning on Sunday. Well, it's been a few years, but I'm finally back at another M Track day. At Ridge Motorsports Park, which I'm really excited for. Have not been here before, heard lots of great things, but it's cold. It's like 28 degrees. There's frost everywhere. It's crazy.
We all have a motorsports background, and that's kind of like our college education, what qualifies us to be here and give you instruction. The M2 competition, 405 horsepower. The X5M competition with 617 horsepower because sometimes you got to get to the store and back with groceries really quick. We've got the M5 competition, 617 horsepower, the X6M, 617 horsepower, and then the beast of the fleet, sexiest car that BMW offers, sexiest looking, sexiest sounding, also the fastest, 617 horsepower M8 competition. You'll get to drive all of those today full throttle, so see jacked up.
This works pretty simple. We are going to lead and you guys are going to follow, right? Obviously, everything is cold right now. Is the first thing to keep in mind. The track's cold, tires are cold, everything's cold. We're cold, so everything's going to naturally have to warm up.
Alright guys, since you guys are the first time behind the wheel, even though you did a recon lap as a passenger, we're going to do one more recon lap here as a driver so you get the feel for the track. Straight line as you cross over the top of the hill. 1, 2, turn. Braking hard at the bottom of the hill, turning our heads before we turn the car. Squeezing the gas. Turn your head, look through the driver's side window to pick up this apex. Down the hill we come. So we break in a straight line. Turn our heads, look through the driver's side window, picking up the next apex. Alright guys. Squeeze that brake nice and smooth here guys. Smooth. Settle that car down off the brake pedal. Turn the wheel. I'm already turning my head to the left, coming off the brakes, down to the apex, squeezing the gas. Guys, just hang tough. No one move, no one move. The car's settled at the same time, so it's a tie. It goes to the car in the shortest distance, and that looks like the left lane is the winner. Right lane pull around first. Time to rotate cars, gentlemen. So cars in park, rotating forward. Blue M2s are going to the orange M2s at the end of the line.
Everybody enjoy that drag race. Pretty amazing that big SAV getting off the line and how it goes and how it stops, right? We've got some M2s for you. You guys have already driven the M2s.
Okay, I'm gonna do better than 13.5.
at the top of the podium, looking down. 13s across the board. Final run, 13,433 is Nate. Give it up for Nate. In typical BMW fashion, no expense spared. Nate wins the timing sheet.
That's right. Still got it. Like riding a bike. Fastest time of the day. And I just found out, may just be the fastest time of the week. I love this M2 comp. It feels a lot like my E46 M3. Just so good. And it felt amazing to be back out driving again. The Ridge Motorsports Park is fantastic. And I can't wait to get back out here with one of my cars because this place is awesome. Once again, huge thank you to BMW Northwest for the invite today. I had a ton of fun, guys. Hope I made you proud coming home with the victory.